This is the Cabaret Sauvage, and this is the third day of the We Share Fest, a festival about collaborative economy and open source. This is the WikiHouse, built with the open source method. You can download the layers and how to build this house on internet and do by yourself. This is the central part of the Cabaret Sauvage. They're having here workshops and meetings, and they had many conferences during the first and the second day. Outside there's the yard. And this is our bear camper. This is our last day here in Paris. We are starting traveling to Berlin, so stay there.